If you've ever tried to run automated web scrapers at scale, you know the exact sound of a server begging for mercy. You launch a fleet of headless browsers, and within seconds, your memory usage spikes, and the system grinds to a halt. The problem isn't your code, it's the browser. Standard headless engines are essentially full desktop environments stripped of their user interface. They still carry the heavy rendering logic designed for complex, human-driven web browsing, which makes them heavily bloated for background server tasks. This illustrates the cost of traditional headless Chrome. Even doing nothing, each instance demands over 200 megabytes of memory and takes 2 seconds to start. Processing hundreds of pages concurrently multiplies that baseline, quickly demanding gigabytes of RAM, breaking the server under its weight. The automation script itself is light. It is the underlying browser engine that creates a hard ceiling for scaling modern AI infrastructure. Obscura removes that ceiling. It is a completely new headless browser engine written from the ground up in Rust, specifically optimized for automation rather than human use. This chart compares memory demands. By cutting desktop baggage, Obscura compresses its footprint to just 30 megabytes. This physical efficiency translates to speed. Obscura starts instantly, loading a dynamic, JavaScript-heavy page in 85 milliseconds, compared to the half-second delay of Headless Chrome. Stripping away the rendering bloat means developers can pack 10 times as many concurrent browser instances onto the exact same hardware without crashing. A faster engine has limited value if it requires engineers to rewrite their existing scrapers. The temporal and financial cost of migrating thousands of lines of automation code usually prevents teams from upgrading their stack. Obscura solves migration friction through a native implementation of the Chrome DevTools protocol. As a direct drop-in replacement, existing Puppeteer and Playwright scripts connect via WebSocket, running flawlessly without altering a single line of underlying logic. Native protocol support allows you to swap out Chromium for Obscura at the infrastructure level without changing the logic of your scraping fleet. Once you scale operations, the immediate challenge is access. Web automation constantly runs into sophisticated anti-bot detection systems that actively shut down data extraction efforts. While traditional Chrome setups require patching together third-party plugins to evade detection, Obscura engineers incorporated evasion directly into the core engine. It automatically randomizes GPU, canvas, and audio fingerprints per session, and features a built-in network interceptor, blocking over 3,500 known tracking domains by default. But the feature that explicitly targets modern AI workflows is a custom method built into the API called LP.getMarkdown. Instead of scraping and parsing complex HTML, this method reads the messy DOM structure, translating it straight into clean, hierarchically indented Markdown text. Obscura is actively formatting the web for immediate ingestion by large language models, removing the intermediate step of data sanitization. Achieving this level of computational efficiency requires strict constraints. Obscura is designed explicitly for headless servers, and it cannot function as a daily desktop browser. For example, it cannot load proprietary DRM-protected media streams, and it drops support for standard Chrome extensions entirely. Removing these non-essential rendering paths allows the engine to maintain its 30 megabyte memory profile. Pushing web automation to its absolute limit means leaving human-centric rendering features behind. By combining a minimal memory footprint, native protocol support, and LLM-ready data formatting, Obscura establishes a fast, highly dense baseline for concurrent AI operations. If you found this technical breakdown of Obscura helpful, subscribe to the channel for more reviews of bleeding-edge open-source tools.